This is model WSP-07 automatic wire stripper for hookup wires, power cables, multi-core wires, flat or round. Consists of a stripping tool assembly and a clamp, and the function is like this. It's an electro-pneumatic machine with all air controls here to set the pressure. You've got a lubricator to lubricate the air. There's an air inlet. To strip, I have to place the wire and operate the machine through a foot pedal. The stripping can be set from here. The amount of stripping that you want. The gap between the blade and the stopper. The gap between the stripping blade and the wire stopper sets the strip length. The length can be set from here. The core diameter, wire diameter adjustment can be made from the setting out here. I just place the wire. You can vary the speed by changing the air pressure. These are the clamps that hold the wire while the wire is being stripped. They can be individually adjusted for different wires. For stripping the outer sheath of a multi-core cable, these tools are contoured. You will get contoured tools on this. You will get contoured tools. This is the jack for the switch. That's how it operates. You can get a production speed of about 2,000-2,500 ends per hour. The stroke rate can be adjusted by varying the air pressure. I can go faster also.